Country House, Big Country House, Episode 1. Fireheart as the mom. Kite Flyer as the daughter. And there's Fireheart, Kite Flyer. Lemon Mane, the other daughter. Gardenia Glow as their other daughter. They have a lot of daughters, don't they? Okay. And then Flatwing as their dad. And then their dog, Bloodhound. She looks like real Bloodhound. It's a little pet shop. Colored it. Okay, so Episode 1, woo! Oh, and here's the inside of the house. Okay. So let's get it started. We're finally here, everybody. Our new home, a new life, a start to a new adventure. So, let's go in. Y'all go first, okay? Including you, dog. My name's Bloodhound. Yeah, Daddy, her name's Bloodhound. Listen to Bloodhound. Whoops, fell. Ah, the table fell. I'll get that. Kids and mother and dog. Never can trust them. Never. And never a new house. Never, ever, ever. Okay, so we're here. We're here. Okay, everybody, we're here now. Wow, it's such a big house. Okay, I call this my room. I call above your room. Man, well, we'll get the double bed. I'll get right here. Row, row. Okay, everybody. Now, go to bed. Woo! Hey, there's my crown. How'd that get here? End of episode 1. Bye. Funny videos. Random videos. I'm alright. Mystery videos. Series. Cool videos. Littlest Pet Shop music videos. Awesomeness! Me, watch my channel.